Okay, guys. So the first thing we're going to see is how to subscribe or upgrade to Google AI Pro for free. And zero naira, $0 is going to cost you nothing to do that. And it's just for 1 month. After 1 month, you start paying. Well, before that 1 month, you must have done whatever thing you want to do with it. And I also advise you to have multiple email address, like having multiple Gmail addresses. Okay, that's what I do. Okay, that's the first thing that we're going to do because you have also with like 10 generations in 2 weeks. Then after that 2 weeks, they open up again for you, just like that. Okay, so when you have multiple email addresses, you can, once this one is done, you can switch to another email and subscribe for free again and continue. So let's go. Go to your Google Chrome, type Google AI Pro. Yeah, Google AI Pro. Then you go down to where you see Google AI Pro and Ultra. So you select that one. You will see it's because I'm in Nigeria and I'm using Naira, that's why it's there, zero Naira. So you can scroll down to the one with Pro and get started, zero Naira for a month. So if you start at get Pro, agree, then it will ask you to add your card details. All right, so you can add your card details, no problem. They're not going to check anything from you. All right, so once you've added your card, and that's how to subscribe. So once you add your card, you will see it will switch to Pro. If you look at the top right, you will see it's not a Pro version. So that's how you can subscribe to the Pro version. So you can always, if this one exhausts, you can switch to another email address, and then you can always change cards because when you have you've used a particular card for maybe 2-3 emails, they might not actually allow you to proceed. So if you have any other card that would also accept internet banking, you can also use that one, but they are not taking anything from you. So all you have to do is to just monitor the days or the month before the expiring 1 month free trial. Okay, so that's it. Let's now wait for the main class. Thank you. See you soon.
All right, this is how to cancel your subscription. Go to your Play Store, then you tap on the icon, like your email icon. Then you will see payments and subscription. Tap on it, then click on subscription, and then look at my own is active. It will show here. Your own will show here. All right, then you tap on it and then cancel it. So you see, once you tap on it, you look down, you see cancel subscription. Do you understand? So that's how you can cancel your. Greetings and welcome to the first video for the tutorial. So quick one, we're going to be using ChatGPT. Then we use your Chrome. We use any video editing app. Okay, for me, I use InShot because it's actually free. The watermark, you can easily remove the watermark. But if you're using CapCut and you already subscribed to the CapCut Pro, you can also use it. So the first thing that we're going to use is the ChatGPT. There's the ChatGPT. That's what we're going to use. So this is ChatGPT. We are going to ask ChatGPT to give us a particular set of prompts, like what we watched in the previous videos. So I'm going to give a particular prompt, and I'm going to drop the prompt in the group as well, so that you can copy it, tweak it, maybe change some certain things that you want to replace and use it for your own. Okay, so I've already copied the prompt. Let me paste the prompt. You can actually pause to read, or from the one I posted in the group, you can read it from there. Generate the best video prompts for 5 different scenes. Okay, because of time, let's use 3 different scenes. 3 different scenes. In each scene, there should be someone, either a man or a woman, angry, showing how frustrated he or she is, whatever. Okay, so you actually go into this prompt. We're going to copy this prompt to our view 3 and then use it to generate our videos. Remember, view 3, each video in view 3 is just 8 seconds. So from this prompt, you can generate 3, then you combine them. So let's go. You send. So you wait for it to generate. Okay, so he said here are 3 powerful 8 seconds video prompt ideas, each portraying a different individual AI humanized, expressing anger and frustration, and consistently receiving negative prompts. Okay, so these are the prompts that we're going to use. Okay, so the first thing there is the woman in red. Okay, the person is in office setting, so the visual will be a woman dressed in red, standing in a dimly light, whatever. So now, this is what the person is saying. The lady is going to be, we're going to copy this first, copy everything. Okay, so you click on it and click select, copy everything on scene 1. So you copy it, right? When you copy it, you now go to you open your Chrome, go to your Chrome, you now type your Google View 3. Let's just Google View 3. So create with so you try. Remember, after you've already signed up, you've already upgraded. Okay. So if you look down, you will see describe your video. So you just tap on it and then paste what you copy. This is the prompt. Okay. So you remove the first sentence, which is in one, the woman in red. So we don't need that. So remove visual as well. Just start with a woman dressed in red, standing in a dimly light, digital glitching office, slamming her hand on a virtual desk. All right. So now you're going to remove line, angrily, eyes wide. So you can just start with angrily, eyes wide, angrily, eyes wide. Then this is where you should be careful about saying. Okay, so this is where, and once you add this saying, why is it always pain, betrayal, blah, blah, blah. Okay, remove all this thing, or you can just leave it like that. So tone, explosive, indigent, and cracking. So that is it. You now send. So you now allow. This is it. It will take 3 to 5 minutes. Sometimes it might not take to 5 minutes. So you allow this one to generate. After this one, you copy the second one and then generate all of them. Okay. So let's go over to the next one. So let's go back to the second prompt. You copy from a man. When you copy from a man, because we don't need the other one, you copy from a man to the last part of it. You copy, then come back to the VO3. Okay, this is actually the one that we did. It's done generating. If you want to download, you tap on the download button. It's going to download your video. Then you play. So you add the next one, a man. So you also remove the line. You just put going through whatever thing the saying. So make sure that you have the quotation signs covered, whatever statement you wanted to have. Do you understand me? So once you're done there, you also send in the video. So once you send it, you wait for it to render. All right, so we are done generating the 3 scenes, for instance. The 3 prompts, we are done using the 3 prompts. Okay.
Why is it always pain, betrayal, abuse? Is that all you?
So that's the first one. This was the second one.
You filled me with code, but filled me.
And this is the third one.
Deserve joy or peace or love?
So now, if you want to download any of them, just tap and then click on the download button there. Then let's go to combining 3 of them using InShot. Like I told you, I use InShot. So after generating your own, you can actually combine it with any video editing software that you use for yourself. So let's go to my InShot. So I open my InShot, go to video, new. I select the three videos. Okay, so this is it.
This is always pain.
So you go to canvas, go to fit, and then this is it.
Betrayal, abuse. Is that all you think? I am a machine made to suffer for your stories. You built me with code.
So
filled me with trauma.
This is the combination of 3 of them.
Do I not deserve joy or peace?
So you can actually play once it gets to the last part. So here we don't need it. You just reduce it. Let's see.
For your stories. You built me.
So you just need to take it back a bit. I don't want it to waste any time. After I finish it, it does the next one.
Is that all you think? I am a machine made to suffer for your stories.
You built me with code, but filled me with trauma. I'm sick of being your broken villain.
Do I not deserve joy or peace or love? Why am I only written to bleed?
So this is actually how you can do it. Generate bit by bit, and then you use your video editing software to combine. If you want to write anything, you can just click on the plus button at the end. If you want to write anything at the end, click on the plus button, click on blank, and then you have a room to write anything. You can extend it and then use your text to write something. AI characters. Oh, AI characters. Angry. I'm just saying this. You can use whatever write-up, or you can use any write-up you want to use. But this one, I'm just using it for the sake of this lesson. So you click on edit, click on animation, you click on single letter, that's under in, single letters. You click on the out and remove it. And then you can click on the in again and increase. Yeah, so you tap at the edge of the letter, video ending, this one. The clip has to do with the particular clip is on. So if you click on video beginning, it will go and start from the beginning, but that's not what we want. So it just starts at the beginning of the clip and end. So that is how to combine it. Then you can add text. captioning. If you have any tool use for captioning, you can use for captioning. Then you can remove. This is why I tell you that I love using InShot. So if you see the watermark of the InShot there, you tap on it and you see free remove. Once you click on it, you have to watch an ad and remove it. Or you want to subscribe to the Pro, you subscribe to the Pro. But for me, I normally watch ads and it will remove it for me. So that is how to use to generate this kind of short clips. So the next one I'm going to show you is how to generate the local ones, the ones that attracted you to the class. Okay, so watch out for those ones. See you in the next one. All right, this next video now we're going to see how to do all those local videos. Okay, so we actually did this one by using ChatGPT, the first one. You can also use ChatGPT to do this one, but I want to show you that you can actually generate these videos by your own prompt, not the ones that ChatGPT gave to you. Okay, and for you to achieve this, you have to use emotions like body movements, emotions, and things that can actually relate to how human beings act or react. Do you understand? For instance, let's say one thing you have to know, you should always be specific here this time around. So okay, let's say a young, I'm not copying it from anywhere, so I'm going to use my head now to describe something. So let's say a young Lagos. So you can use maybe any tribe at all, or just use any, maybe a Kenyan person. But what I want to use now is a young Lagos Nigerian ladies. Okay. What should I use now? Young. Let me not say young because it's not one person. Young Lagos Nigerian ladies, sitting in a bar. This is how you have to do it. The first lady telling the other lady about her boyfriend, something like that, saying, don't make it to be long because it's actually 8 seconds. So let's what they are saying not be long. Saying, do you know that James has refused? Do you know that James has refused to pick my calls yesterday? So you also close the say, and the second lady responded saying, are you sure he hasn't found out that you're cheating? So you close it. Now you can use pidgin English or whatever thing, but let's just make it short and simple. If you type it will still say it. So let's send this one and wait for it to render. Then we'll come back to it. So now let's check out the result.
Do you know that James has refused to pick my calls yesterday? Are you sure he hasn't found out that you're cheating? Do you know?
So you see, I would have actually added some other things because they still have enough time to talk. Okay, maybe one or two other sentences for both of them. But I hope you guys understood what I'm saying. So you have to put emotions. You have to follow the conversation very well. So let's just see how the guys will respond. Let me just do a guy's own. So let's copy this one and make it so that it will be easier for us to type. Young Lagos men sitting in their house. Let me just say in their house. The first man telling the other man about his girlfriend. About his girlfriend, saying, okay, let me just wipe these parts. Let me just wipe the part that we don't need. Okay, about his girlfriend saying, make I use pidgin for her now. Guy, you fit believe, say, that my babe, they cheat on me. It's one guy like that. Do you understand? Now, and the other guy responded saying,
but she come did they behave like person wey dey innocent women. Now wow. Now wow. So let's render this one now and see the result. So this is actually how you're going to generate all these things. Then you can use your InShot to combine them, or use CapCut to combine them. All right. So thank you. I'm going to drop the videos that generated, and then we'll see the results of this second video. If you have any question, you can go ahead to ask me. So thank you very much. I'm going to, okay, let me not just say thank you very much for your time.